Remarket to people who almost completed their purchase. If you want to make people come back to your website and complete the purchase of your products, you should try your best to avoid people not finishing the purchase on your website, and then take advantage of Facebook custom audiences to remarket to them as your backup plan. Shopping cart abandonment. In the world of e-commerce, shopping cart abandonment is a bitter truth. This is the most disappointing problem for online marketers. How do you minimize cart abandonment? So, if we check the average of shopping carts which are abandoned, the rate is around 80%. So don't look at the average percentage and don't give up. Let's see it with a broad mind and take it as an opportunity. You will be able to earn hundreds of dollars in additional monthly revenue if you are able to find a method to minimize cart abandonment. Customers who come under the category of cart abandoners, in fact, are there to purchase your product. They just require a little motivation to buy the product in many cases. So you can just simply make a list of them, custom audience, and then give them that little push by remarketing to them properly. Promo codes and discount offers. The best method to deal with your purchases is to escape cart abandonment from ever occurring in the future. So to achieve this goal, at the most important point in your purchasing process, hit your shoppers with the most amazing and attractive offers. You should take this critical point as an advantage, since many purchasing decisions are done on the checkout pages and cart. On these pages, always offer your shoppers a promotion to entice them to complete the purchasing process. You should remove all the reasons for cart abandonment and deal with the shoppers in the way that they are looking for. Due to additional costs, such as shipping and service charges making the cost higher for products, it is the main reason for cart abandonment. After finding such a high-priced product on your website, shoppers will look for a discount or promo code and will leave your website if they don't get it. So, to grab their attention and force shoppers to stay on your website, offer them a discount or free shipping to complete the process of purchasing. As a result, their level of comfort will be okay after looking at the discount offer, and they will purchase your product. Something really smart you can also do with these promo codes and discount offers is that you can also use them in your Facebook remarketing ads. Exit offers. In this training, we also want you to save some bucks in paid advertising. So exit offers can help you decrease cart abandonment significantly. So we can leave Facebook remarketing ads as your last choice, and not the only one. Sometimes shoppers go away from your online store despite your hard work of driving sales. They move away through small cracks. So, this is the point where you can apply the method of exit offers. This offer is given to shoppers at the very last minute when they are almost ready to leave your site. Exit offers give a final opportunity to shoppers to complete the purchasing process. So, to grab these customers, applying the method of exit offers is usually applied at the very last moment when a shopper moves away from the checkout pages or the cart. Another way is to offer them a promo code to influence them to complete the process of purchasing. It eliminates all the hurdles for the shoppers and permits them to go through a promo code for their order. Another method is to apply an emotional trigger to your customer, such as a limited time discount offer, etc. Simple targeting rule. Another way is the use of a simple targeting rule which you can use to target high-value carts. Shoppers which will have a certain dollar amount in their cart or a specific item, you can present them offers using the simple targeting rule. At this moment, you can go for the exit offers for those shoppers which want to deal with higher value products. Let us show you with an example. Let's say you usually offer 10% off, but at this time, you will also offer them free shipping because they are a high-value shopper. As a result, it works very well as these promotions are easily accessible, exclusive, and show true value to shoppers. Methods to remember for remarketing to shoppers at the cart page. As a recap, here's a list of the best methods for you to remarket to shoppers who almost complete the purchasing process. Always remarket the same item to shoppers that they didn't buy. Use promo codes or discount offers to influence shoppers to complete their process of purchasing. Present exit offers to shoppers at the very last moment. Convince shoppers with limited time offers. Convert free trial users to customers by remarketing to them. When you are going to start a business, you just need a solid plan of business which is based on a marketing term called the 4 Ps. Let's discuss them all one by one. Product. First of all, you need to care about your product. What we mean by product is anything you want to sell, whether it's software, training, or a physical good. Quality of product is the most important thing in marketing. It is natural that when a person gets a good quality product, they will prefer to buy from you again and suggest others to buy from you as well. Price. It's natural that we all want to buy a good thing at a low price. We are not telling you to always keep your prices low. We are just suggesting you keep the price of your product low to start. It doesn't mean you should start selling your products at a low price. Instead, give a 30% to 50% off sale offer for 20 days. Another killer strategy to convert is by offering free trials. This allows the potential buyer to test the product, get excited enough, and easily pay for the full price afterwards. Promotion. Promotion is a crucial part of the plan. Get people knowing about your product. Digital marketing is trending nowadays. For this, social media marketing is good, and we prefer Facebook in all these. Why Facebook? We prefer Facebook because it's low cost. It's easy to start a campaign. It can target a narrow audience. It can target people who are already using your product through a free trial. It's a vast place, so we can target people easily. People. Now at the final stage, we need to understand which type of people are going to buy our product. We need to show our prospects at least one benefit, no matter which type of product it is. In short, we just want you to understand that we need to show people what they actually want, and don't show them irrelevant things. Remarketing. Now it's time to think how you can convert your free trial users into premium users with remarketing. We prefer Facebook remarketing here. Let's have a short discussion on that. The following are some points regarding this. It is a little bit similar to Google Ads, but in Facebook remarketing, your ads will be shown on Facebook by selecting a custom audience. There is not a big difference in Google Ads and Facebook marketing. In Google Ads, your ad will be shown on a website. On the other hand, in Facebook remarketing, people will see your ads on their Facebook news feeds. Plus point for using Facebook remarketing, social media, especially Facebook, is the best place to advertise something because of its popularity. So, you can target as many people as you can. You can target your free trial users only. The benefit of it is you can target only the people you want. For example, if you want to show ads to people who are already using an app or a website as a free trial, which allows you to serve ads only to the list of contacts you've already acquired. People who sign up for the free trial will definitely provide their email address and will target only those on Facebook through remarketing. So we will be spending our money for ads on the right people. The custom audience is the most powerful and unique tool of Facebook remarketing. It is more like email marketing. The main reason we recommend Facebook remarketing is you can have greater engagement. You can imagine it this way. More than 22 billion people click on ads every year, and Facebook is your best opportunity to grab a share of that business.